In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manipulate images using Paint.net. Whether you're looking to enhance your graphic design skills or just need to pull together some visuals for a project, knowing how to efficiently open, copy, and paste images is a valuable skill. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of image manipulation in Paint.net. Firstly, you'll want to launch Paint.net on your computer. Once it opens, you'll be greeted by a blank canvas, ready for you to bring in your creative ideas. It's usually a white space that awaits your next move, serving as the playground for all the imagery you'll be working with today. Next up, we're going to open or import our first image. Navigate to the top menu, click on File, and from the drop-down, choose Open. This will prompt a dialog box to appear, allowing you to browse through your computer. Find the image file you wish to work on, select it, and then click Open. The image should now gracefully appear on the canvas before you. Now, let's say you want to copy this image or just a part of it. If your goal is to copy the entire image, you'll go to the top menu, click on Edit, and then choose Select All. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+A for a quick selection. Follow this by going back to Edit and selecting Copy, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C. But if you're only interested in copying a specific part of the image, you'll want to use the Rectangle Select tool. This tool is represented by a dotted square icon in the Tools window to your left. Click on it, then click and drag over the area you desire. Once selected, go back to Edit and hit Copy, or use Ctrl+C. When it comes to pasting your copied content, head over to the top menu, select Edit, and then Paste, or use Ctrl+V. You'll find that the copied image appears right in the center of your canvas. If you're looking to paste this content into an entirely new file, go to File and select New. You'll need to set your desired canvas size and click OK. Afterwards, press Ctrl+V to paste your content onto the new canvas. Once pasted, you may need to move or resize the image for your specific needs. After pasting, you'll notice a selection box around your image. To move it, use the Move Selected Pixels tool, easily identified by the icon featuring 4 arrows in the Tools window. Click on the image and drag it to reposition it. Should you need to resize, drag one of the corners while holding the Shift key to maintain the image's proportions, making sure it scales evenly. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering image manipulation in Paint.net. Practice these techniques and you'll find yourself feeling more confident and creative with each project you undertake.